Bro, they're so shiny.
Dude, you got a new car.
Look at that.
Dude, that's nuts. Oh my God.
Dude, I can't believe what I'm seeing here today. Do you know what time it is?
Time to get some wheels.
It is time to get some Johns on the machine. Now, Dustin's been browsing eBay, looking at his next set of parts for his car. And what do we have here?
We have Avant-Garde M359s.
Yeah, we've decided to go with basically the E92 M3 competition wheels in a more affordable fashion, and that's exactly what these Avant-Garde wheels are going to do. We're also getting them in 18s so that they fit. 18s just fit 3 Series like a lot better than M cars because they don't have as wide of fenders. This is the OEM Plus look that Dustin has chose for his car. They're not going to be that crazy, but they're going to be clean, and that's what we want to like showcase with this build. Go ahead, order them up. Hit that, add the cart. All right, and now we wait.
Straight anymore, the wheel's crooked.
Wait, is your wheel straight right now?
Yes.
No,
Dude.
no, you have to go that way.
I'm a rotation wrong.
Oh, okay. I was gonna be like, dude, I knew the alignment was bad, but I didn't think it was that bad.
I swear, I was driving to work like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah. We're gonna get this thing aligned soon, but before that, it's time for his wheels, baby. Somewhere hidden behind here, I have stashed the Johns. They've been tucked over behind the Skyline, but here they are, baby. So it's pretty phenomenal. eBay Motors has over 122 million different parts out there, all for all sorts of cars. And when Dustin wants like literally the most specific wheel, this is the exact spec that'll fit your car in an 18. Usually these are 19-inch. I believe the factory comp wheels are 19s. The odds of finding that anywhere are freaking pretty surprising, but they live rent-free right on eBay Motors. You could literally go get them whenever you want, all for the right price. That's why we didn't get the actual comp wheels, because those are not for the right price.
Wrong price, the real ones.
This is a square setup, so all of these wheels are identical. They are literally the exact same diameter and the exact same width. That means the tires, then good old PS4Ss that we got for the mains, those are all identical as well. And you could run a square setup. You wouldn't think you'd run a square setup on a car like this, but you can because this car is all-wheel drive. The tire sidewall for these are a little bit fatter than his OEM setup. The previous wheels, the stock ones that came with this, are 18-inch, so it's the same diameter. But god dang stupid freaking Euro cars with no studs hanging out. I gotta like literally align it through. You know, this might take a little WD-40, but it is barely around the hub. If these didn't fit around the hub, then they wouldn't be perfect fit. But it is like as perfect as it can be. There is literally not a millimeter more that the hub can change.
Yeah.
Oh shoot, dude, look at this. We won't need a spacer, boys.
Damn.
We won't need a spacer. Yeah.
I hope not.
No, I don't think so. Even looking at by this, obviously it's gonna camber in a lot more.
Yeah.
But like,
It's gonna look nice.
dang, dude, you really found like the perfect wheels in the world.
Perfect fit.
Oh, oh, ho, ho, ho. Dude, dude, perfect.
Hey.
Dude, perfect. We're gonna ignore the toe in that he still has. We still gotta get the alignment. But dude, perfect.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
Hey.
Dude, from like right here, this looks like an M3.
Ooh.
This looks like an E92 M3 right here.
Definitely BMW wheels.
Officially up badged.
Officially? Well, if we officially put them in there. Give it a roll. College.
Yeah.
Try.
Yep. Yep.
I mean, yeah. It's a little bent on that, but yeah.
I mean, try hitting that side up a little more.
No, I think that the cap part is bent. Like it's not the.
Oh, officially up badged, baby.
Look at that.
That's an M3 if I've ever seen one. OEM Plus is the way to go, man.
Yeah.
That looks so good. See, kids, Keeping it simple, keeping it clean. You don't gotta get the craziest 3-piece gold chrome, multi-color, multi-spec wheels. What do you say about these wheels in black?
Dude, I hate them. Like black wheels in general, they're just impossible to keep clean. Like this, for example.
Yeah, those get dirty pretty easily. In person, it's hard to tell on camera. No, overall, like these wheels in black wouldn't be doing much for the car.
No.
Sometimes black is just not the way.
It just sucks that that's the cleanest the wheels are ever gonna be.
Yeah, you gotta enjoy it.
Remember to brush your teeth, kids. Your toothbrush is gonna look like that.
Yeah, remember to brush your East Coast 335 eyes.
These things are brown.
Always clean your hubs. Oh, you already got the center cap in this one?
Hell yeah. It's a little harder on me now because I can't really see where the...
Dude, I'm telling you, it's got no studs. Dude, Euro cars with lug bolts. They're awful.
Now that you have it mounted, you have to like line the holes up.
Yeah.
And so I gotta take the whole damn wheel off again.
Yeah, see, on a normal car, there's 5 studs that come out and protrude, and you can literally mount each 5 of the wheel holes into those studs, and boom, it's on. But obviously, there aren't any of those, and instead, the lugs themselves are the studs. So when you mount the wheel on, you only have the hub to work with, and you gotta rotate and line your holes up. And you guys can explain to me in the comments why European cars do this, because my Audi does this and other BMWs do this, but I don't get it. I don't know why. Oh man, that's gonna fit perfect in the front too. Dude, that's perfect.
Dude.
Oh my god.
Dude.
She poked a little bit, but it's okay.
That's fine.
We like that.
Woo!
That's so dope.
Yeah, they poke slightly a little more out in the front. So I think naturally, factory, it does come in a staggered setup, and the front wheels are thinner than the rear. And so since we're doing a square setup, we're gonna have naturally a little more poke in the front. But man, the front fitment is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Dude.
What do you think, boy?
It's so cool. It's so cool. It's interesting watching your vision like just come together.
Right?
Yeah.
That's the best part about a build. In Dustin's case, we're doing a build in a span of literally 1 week, which most people it does take a little bit longer than that.
Double-sided tape.
On the end
OEM.
edge.
OEM.
He really took everything from his OEM M Sport wheel, and now we are fully up badged, baby. Sheesh. We got the M logo on there. Oh baby, the wheel's complete.
Ridiculous.
Ridiculous right here. I think the only way that you would know that these are different than the actual E92 M3 comp wheels is the fact that they're 18-inch, and I believe the M3 wheels are 19-inch. But you gotta freaking have them OEM authentic experts out there. They gotta decipher that.
Yeah.
That sounded fresh rubber.
Them boys, baby fresh.
Like the outside light hitting it looks way better. Sure.
He's just trying to make noise at this point.
Curving out, I don't like dipping my tire in the grass because I've done that numerous times.
Yeah, dude, this looks great. Oh my god, it looks like an M3. All right, will she rub? Ooh.
I don't think it does.
I think it's all right. Oh, dude, the rear came down so much since.
Did it come down because I'm sitting in it?
Maybe. They look so fresh, like when you roll away.
You gotta see that.
Yeah, no, you gotta see this.
Don't look until like start coming back down.
Okay.
Like seeing them go away.
Close your eyes. Yeah, he kept turning around.
Car sounds like that.
Yeah, dude.
What the
Yeah, we need a downpipe though.
What the That's so sick.
Yeah, you guys can't tell. In person, these wheels look crazy because like when they're this clean in the distance, they almost look chrome. They almost look like some stance boys.
They look chrome in the sunlight, like daylight.
Yeah, just like from far away.
Yeah.
You gotta keep these like this clean all the time.
Dude, that's gonna be so annoying.
Yeah.
Multi-spokes.
Yeah.
So annoying.
You're gonna have a new task. All right, you guys already know the drill. Shout out eBay Motors right here. They got them perfect fit. They got that quality. They have just an insane level of different parts. Whatever car you think you have, there's a part out there on eBay Motors for it. Just like how we're finding everything for Dustin's car.
Oh, and I pulled in. I was like trying to squeak them, but now they're all wet, so it squeak.
No more rubber squeak. I feel like this is the most exciting task because like whenever you're denibbing tires, you just got fresh rubber, which usually means fresh wheels on a fresh car. And he's really gonna go through all of them right now.
Yeah.